Welcome to Pasta Grannies in Venice. Giulina was a school dinner lady at a primary school in Venice. Today she is showing us how to make a Venetian classic, a type of pea risotto called Risi e Bisi.
Salve, io sono Catto Giulina. Vi faccio vedere come si fa riso e piselli alla veneta.
First, her organic peas need podding, and many hands make light work. Next, Giulina makes a stock with the pods, using a pressure cooker to speed up the process.
C'è già odore di pisello. Era gli occhiali.
When the pods are cooked, she passes them through a food mill to make a lovely pea-flavoured liquid. To make the risotto, Giulina dices the onion the same size as rice grains.
Mettiamo dell'olio d'oliva. Si mette un pochino così.
She sautés it in olive oil and adds her homemade parsley salsa.
Aggiungi i piselli.
Giulina then cooks the peas for a few minutes before adding the rice. She uses a variety called Vialone Nano.
Facciamo 2 bicchieri.
She sautés the rice mixture until it sounds crisp, and then starts adding stock, 1 ladle at a time.
Brodo caldo. Non soffri.
She adds more of her parsley mix.
Spaghetti.
Ok, per prima spaghetti. Pasta e fagioli.
Sì, due spaghettini.
And she even went. They don't have chips. They don't have fried stuff in our schools.
And finishes the rice off with butter and Parmigiano cheese. The end result is a sloppy risotto.
I risi e bisi sono pronti.
Giulina's Risi e Bisi is a good reason for a celebration.
Buon appetito ragazzi. Buon appetito.
Enjoy yours too. Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.